Greetings, dear all. My name is Ross Stefan Gomat. I'm the chairperson of Peace and Security Cluster of the Economic, Social and Cultural Council of the African Union, commonly called African Union ECOSOC. We are here with our presiding officer, Mr. Aboza Elmana Eligai, and also with the chairperson of Trade and Industry of African Union ECOSOC, Mr. Abdirahman Mokhtar. We have signed a protocol of agreement between African Union ECOSOC and Tramac SA, which is a Swiss leading company in blockchain technology, in also cryptocurrency technology, and also in smart contract technology. And African Union, as we know, we have last year in July, we have signed and countries have signed and ratified the African Free Trade Zone, commonly called the AFCTA. Among the 55 countries of African Union, 54 of them have signed the AFCTA, which is the African Free Trade Zone. So from Casablanca to Cape Town, from Dakar to Nairobi, from Libreville to Addis Ababa, from Cairo to Lomé, the countries, African Union member states, have signed the African Free Trade Zone, which is a free trade, which is the largest free trade area in the world in terms of number of participating countries since the formation of the World Trade Organization, commonly called the WTO. So the AFCTA, which is the African Free Trade Zone, is the African continent most ambitious integration initiative promoted in the Agenda 2063 of the African Union, whose main objective is to create a single continent market for goods and services with free movement of people and investment, thus expanding intra-African trade across the continent, enhancing competitiveness and supporting economic transformation in Africa, and create a single continent-wide market for goods and services and promote the movement of capital and persons. The agreement, which is the AFCTA, initially requires member states, African member states, to remove tariff from 90% of goods, allowing free access to commodities, goods and services across the continent, which without any doubt will boost inter-African trade. The general objective of the AFCTA is to create a single market, deepening the economic integration of the continent, establish a liberalized market, aid the movement of capital and goods, facilitate investment, and achieve sustainable and inclusive socio-economic development and structural transformation with member states, enhance competitiveness of member states within Africa and in the global market, and also to encourage industrial development through diversification and regional value chain development, such as agriculture development and food security system. The free trade zone area in Africa is expected to increase intra-African trade from an existing level of about 30% to 25% or more through better harmonization and coordination of trade liberalization. It's important to mobilize private sector for effective implementation of the trade in Africa. Is because of that the African Union and ECOSOC have want to learn from the experience of Tramac SA in order to implement successfully the free trade area zone. And also, as we all know, Swiss is a leading country with regards to free trade. And if we take, for example, the European Union as a whole, they have an advanced model of free trade. And we as Africans, we want to learn from their experience. We want to learn from the leading companies that has helped to implement those free trade area in order for us to implement it in Africa, for it to be a success story in Africa. So we are keen in working in Tramak SA as based on their expertise and their experience in the domain of free trade area in Africa, and also based on the fact that they have many sister companies in Africa. They are also an African company, such as they are established in Nigeria and other African countries in which they are operating from their cryptocurrency and their free trade platform. And we want to use that expertise and experience to boost our inter-trade in Africa, and also to liberalize the free trade zone area in Africa, in order to make that platform that we want to build, that Tramak want to build in Africa, to be a success story.